Hello?
Hey, Trevor.
Hold on. I'm gonna put this on speaker. Yeah, so now.
Hey, Trevor, what's up?
I'm good enough. How about you?
I'm good too.
So, what you have for me?
Okay, so I have two solid beans for one penthouse and the other one is an entire area.
Wow. So, that they reach Marcus yet?
No. Remember, all the info comes to me first. So that is why I wanted to complete the contract. So I can continue to give the deals.
So, tell me something. You still have to resign?
Trev, the man in my life have a problem with me working here.
Colleen, but you have to resign. You don't get a good commission in time you intercept them thing after me.
Of course, Trevor. But you know, that money is not for me.
So what? You gotta stop sending money for deal with him?
We need the money.
Exactly. You need to make the man know you need the work.
And we need my side hustle.
And you can't get the info unless you log into Marcus' system.
True.
Boy, Trevor, you're one of the very few who know my situation. Medication and therapy not cheap. So every mickle make a muckle. And I'm me alone basically I deal with this. And I so me get the money from. Trev, that's why me live my life so simple. No fancy nothing cause I right there so the money go.
So what? You can't get it from your man.
You mad? Me don't want him know about that.
Carly, just go and do the right thing.
Alright. So the price for the penthouse and the Airbnb, both of them, 150 million.
What? Yo, me can make a killing off of that, you know.
You can keep the name of the place. Plus, it's fully operational. The only one of its kind in your town. And a nice little farming village.
Carly, just try goal again. You're gonna get a fat commission off of that one, yeah.
Me need it.
Anyway, Carly, I've been meaning to ask you, you know. You don't hear nothing from your ex-brother-in-law from him get her from prison.
Well, me not hear nothing. And me not hear the minister say nothing about him either. I only know say he put out one serious man and call him at one point.
Well, look like him run away now. Cause nobody no see or hear from him.